take out your books also. I'm going to read out the answers so that while you are writing from the PDF, you will not have any problem. Okay, so we will be discussing the question answers of the lesson Mora. Okay, I'm switching off my camera so that the voice is clear and there's no network issue. Now, can you please read out the first question for me? Mora, the first question. Give it to me. Give me the book.
Ma'am, can I read?
So the first question is, what were the first 3 lessons that Mora learned from his mother? And the answer is, the first lesson was about mice. When mother taught Mora to save himself from mouse entering his tender nose. Full stop. The next lesson was as to how Mora should drink water. Full stop. The third lesson was how to have a shower bath. Question number 2. Describe how Mora perceived the elephant hunter. Answer. Mora found elephant hunters strange creatures, comma, who stood only on 2 hind legs and 4 paws were high up in the air, comma, holding a long steel trunk, that is gun, to hit Mora. Hunter's face was the color of Mora's father's pink tongue. Full stop. The hunter had worn a basket-like thing on his head and was riding on a member of Mora's tribe. Question number A3. What advice did Mora's mother give him? Answer. Mora's mother told him about the cruelty of these evil hunters and taught him to look after himself, to hear but not to be heard, comma, to see but not to be seen, and to think wisely, as the elephant tribe was famous for full stop. He asked, sorry, she asked Mora to be kind to the weak and be clever and courageous. She said he should be able to get for himself. Just a second. She said he should be able to get for himself what is this? Get for himself food. He should be able to get for himself food. Full stop. Question number 4. How did Mora spend time with his friends by the lake? Answer. Mora lived in a herd by the lake. Full stop. He had many friends with whom he played various games. and liked turning somersault and played leapfrog. Full stop. Often they quarreled and chased one another. Full stop. They ate and shared shoots, coconuts, and bananas with each other. Full stop. They even sang together till they were hoarse. Hoarse. Question number 5. Describe the encounter between Mora and Sabra. Answer. As Mora was running to protect himself from the elephant hunters, he heard the rustling in the grass near him. Full stop. It was Sabra the leopard, comma, whose green ferocious eyes glittered on seeing Mora. Full stop. She was waiting to eat him eagerly. She leaped into the air and struck him savagely with her strong claws. Full stop. Mora was about to flee with terror when he decided to face Sabra boldly, and he struck her with his trunk, comma, which made Sabra land on the ground with a thud. Question number 6. Mora helped Uncle Tushi come out of the trap. How? Answer. Mora decided to make Uncle Tushi comfortable in the deep pit. Full stop. He uprooted the young saplings, branches and twigs one after the other and flung them down to Tushi. Full stop. Tushi, in great anger, crushed them under his enormous feet, and soon the edge of the pit grew nearer to him. Full stop. Slowly and gradually, with great efforts, Uncle Tushi was out of the pit. Full stop. Question number 7. What does Uncle Tushi tell Mora in the end? Answer. Uncle Tushi told Mora how male elephants are supposed to work, guard and protect the freedom of their elephant tribe. Full stop. He considered him clever enough to become the head of their panchayat. In bracket, write tribe, or sorry, panchayat in brackets and then tribe. Full stop. He considered him clever enough to become the head of their panchayat tribe. Full stop. He was asked by Uncle Tushi to wander freely and independently and discover the world wisely, and then he could come back again to join his herd. HERD. Reference to context. Number 1. Do you know what elephant hunters do in the jungle? A. What do elephant hunters do? B. What other name does Mora give the elephant hunters? C. How does the elephant tribe recognize the presence of hunters? Answer B1. A. The elephant hunters catch baby elephants and take them far away from their family. B1. B. Mora calls them cunning dash monsters. Put them in single inverteds. I repeat, Mora calls them cunning monsters. Put them in single inverteds. Full stop. Now, 1B, if there is breeze in the jungle, then the elephant tribe smells the presence of the hunters and run away and hide safely. Full stop. Coming to reference to context, B2. Then something awful happened. A. What had happened? B. Where were Mora and his mother when it happened? C. What was their reaction to the incident? Answer B2A. The elephant hunter with his gun had shot Mora's father straight through his heart. B2B. Mora and his mother were running away from the hunters. B2C. The mother squealed with sadness, but Mora was terror struck, 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 and could not cry or utter a sound. Full stop. Reference to context 3. We traveled by night so as not to be seen and hid among the rocks during the day. A. Who does we refer to in the above lines? B. Where were they going? C. What was their fear? Did it come true? How? Now, B3A. In the given lines, we is referred to Mora, comma, his mother and uncle Tushi. B2, B3B. They were going to the marriage feast, FEAST, of one of Mora's cousins in Mysore. B3C. Mora was so happy that he wanted to sing, comma, but was stopped by Uncle Tushi and his mother, comma, as the hunters might hear his voice and discover them, full stop. And it happened what they had feared, comma, as they were face to face with a brown man, in brackets hunter, sitting on a hoda, HOWDAH, with several other men along to catch the elephants. Full stop. B4, reference to context, Mora, Mora, my son. A, who said these words? B, what had happened to the speaker? C, what did Mora do? Answer B4A. The mother elephant said these words when the hunters had surrounded her and were trying to tie her with a rope. 4 B4B. The mother elephant was caught by the hunters, comma, they had surrounded her and were tying, Tying, tying her with ropes. B4C. Mora stood numb, comma, watching this, comma, he could not sob, comma, weep, or utter a sound, comma, just as it had happened earlier when Mora's father had been shot by the hunters, comma, years ago. Clear? Everything clear now? Dear students, I need your answer.